So again, we want to solve this equation for x. So 2 to the 2x plus 1 has to equal 4. So we're looking for an exponent that would give me 4. So one of the things we can do algebraically, if we don't want to think too hard, is can we make the bases the same? So notice how this base is a 2. Can we change a 4? So in other words, is 2 to some power going to give me 4? And I think, 2 squared is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So I can rewrite this problem as 2 to the 2x plus 1 equals 2 to the power of 2, like that, because 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. Now, since the bases are equal, all I got to do now is set the exponents equal to each other and solve for x. So if we can rewrite the problem so the bases are the same, we did that, then set the exponents equal to each other and solve for x. So I'm going to just set this 2x plus 1 equal to a 2. So to solve for x, we have to get x by itself. So we have to get rid of this plus 1 by losing 1 on each side. So this gives me 2x comes down. 1 and a negative 1 are a 0 pair. So they drop out. And 2 lose 1 is 1. So then I have to get rid of the coefficient of 2. So since this is multiplication, we can divide both sides by 2. In doing so, the 2's divide out, so the coefficient of x becomes a 1, or we just call that x equals then. And 1 divided by 2 is a fraction, so we just leave it as 1/2. So it does say type an integer or a simplified fraction, so they don't want decimals here. So our solution set becomes then this 1/2. So again, if you're using your calculator, you could write this as y equals, and then you can move this 4 over to the other side and write this as 2 to the 2x plus 1 minus 4. You could try to look at it from that perspective. So y equals, clear that, 2 to the 2x plus 1 minus 4. If I hit graph, notice that we do see the graph. So we do see the 0 there. So if I want to find that 0, notice how it looks like it's halfway between 0 and 1. So it looks like 1/2 looks good. But if I use the calculate button here, second calculate, number 2 will find the solution, if you will. So I have to be left of it. That's left. Hit enter. I got to be right of that 0. So notice how there's a sign change. I'm to the right of it now. Hit enter and then hit enter a third time. And notice how it does give me this 0.5, and 0.5 is the same thing as a half. So it does check out there. So that would be the solution to number 7.